tip number 1 is that instead of using the normal A4 sheets which are very thin and which may tear off, you try to use ivory sheets, so which are very thick and very smooth, and they like graphite sticks to it very well. So use these instead of these. So tip number 2 is that for drawing outlines of any sketch, don't use a pencil. So the issue is that you have to keep your pencil sharp and you have to apply less pressure to make the outline, so that would cause problem. So instead of using a pencil, you can use a micro tip pencil. So these pencils, we don't need to sharp them, and you can like use less pressure and you can get pretty soft outlines in this. So instead of using a pencil for outlines, use a micro tip pencil. So tip number 3 is that for shading, don't grab the pencil at the tip and shade. So the problem is that you will be applying a lot more pressure when you are grabbing it from here, and your shading will be uneven. So instead, go a little bit back and then shade it like this. So this way you will get a much less pressure and you will get an even tones shading in the position. So tip number 4 is that while you are drawing any sketch, so don't put your hand on the sketch. So as you can see, like if I'm drawing like this, and you can see my hand is here, and suppose if you have already drawn in this place and if your hand will be getting smudged, so that mark will be going here and there. So now what you can do is that use an A4 sheet or something, or tissue paper, so that can help you so to keep your hand in rest, and then you can draw. So before going on to the last and the most important tip, so I would like you all to please subscribe to the channel. So please hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get instant notifications, and we very much I very much need your support. So please show your support by subscribing to our channel. So moving on to the last and final tip, and which is a very important tip, is that give time to your drawing. Yes guys, so we need to have patience, we need to practice, and we need time. So how much time you are giving in your drawing, that much better it will be. So try this and see that if it's working for you. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like this. So give this video a like if you like this video, and if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below. Please do hit the subscribe button below, and comment down for more videos, so for suggestions. So thank you for watching the video. So until next time, see you later, bye bye.